Hey Dimplets, it's Misha and you're watching Cooking with Dimples. So today's recipe is baked sweet potatoes. Perfect for the holidays. I actually made this last night for my family and I decided to record it for you guys. So this recipe is so perfect for a large family, or it's perfect for just a singular person that doesn't want to cook a whole pot of yams or sweet potato casserole. It's so good. So we are going to get right into this video. Please let me know if you guys like it. If you guys like this video, please make sure to subscribe, hit that bell to be notified every time I upload, and we are gonna get right into it. Okay, Dimplets, so here we go. So other than the sweet potatoes, you should have most of these ingredients in your pantry already. Brown sugar, I prefer the dark brown sugar, salt and pepper, nutmeg, and cinnamon. Oh, and we cannot forget the butter. Get the sweet potatoes as big as you would like. Okay, you guys, I have my sweet potatoes all nice and clean now. I rinse them off and I scrub them with a fruit and vegetable scrubber. So now what we're going to do is poke each sweet potato about 5 to 6 times because we do not want them to bubble up while we're baking them. And we are going to coat them with about 1 to 2 teaspoons of oil. And we're going to bake them for about 400 degrees for about an hour. Make sure you line your baking sheets with foil for easier cleanup. And you do not need to cover these. Okay, guys, well, this is the fun part. So you do not need any measurements whatsoever for this part. Everybody has different taste buds, and you're pretty much going to get this potato together exactly how you like it. Okay, so as far as the butter, you're probably going to need maybe a tablespoon to 2. Once again, how you like it. So you are going to kind of squish up the inside so you can get it nice and soft, which it is so tender, you guys, after this hour. You are going to get your brown sugar in there, get your salt and pepper in there first, get your brown sugar, your nutmeg, and your cinnamon. Add you some butter at the end to top this baby off. And oh my goodness, your taste buds are going to have a party in your mouth. Trust and believe. Okay guys, well that concludes my video for my baked sweet potato. It looks so good and it smells so good in here, you guys. I really wish you guys would actually make it at home. I know I say that every video, but I want you guys to grab your stuff, look at the ingredients at the beginning, and come cook along with me. If you're not able to do it this time, cook along with me next time. I thank you guys so much for your support. I love you guys so much. I hope you really enjoyed the video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up for your girl. Please share it with anybody and everybody you know, whatever groups, social media you're on. Please share. Please, please, please. So I love you guys so much. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I will be back with you guys very soon for another tasty video. Bye.
cool, let your body